Welcome to a BMW, this 2013 F30 BMW 318D, and in this video there's a complaint of rattling at the front end. So the owner is complaining there's a rattle coming from the front suspension. Now I've had a quick look around and I think I've found what the problem is. But what I'll do is I'll take you on a little drive and I'll show you and confirm the complaint. Okay, ready to start up. So I better turn off the music. You don't want a copyright claim or worse. So set off and I'll show you what it is. Right, I don't think you can hear it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can hear like a rattle, and it's definitely coming from the front end of the car. So I'll just there. I don't know if you heard that there. So yeah, I can hear it, and that's basically the complaint confirmed. So go back to house and show you the steps I took when I investigated the problem. I'm here at my localizer, but I'll show you what I've done to determine the problem. So just push down on each corner, because my first thought was strut top mounts, and as you can tell, no noise. Next thing I tried was steering lock just come on. I'll just take off the steering lock. And can't turn ignition on. But let's have a look at how steering lock is still off. I need the key inside the car. Then I can turn the ignition on. And that's released the steering lock. But when I rock the steering, can you hear that? That sounds like track rod ends. And the left hand one was done last year before the MOT, so yep, the other ones are gone. So what I'll do is, once I get back home, we'll get it jacked up or something, and we can take a look at this track rod end and confirm it, that's actually the problem. So I've got it jacked up. I'm back at home now, and I can definitely feel something. So the rocket, I don't know whether you can, I'm thinking it's this track rod end. I'm not so sure. If it's a track rod end. It could be the bottom ball joint on the lower arm. Or it could be one of these ball joints. This is I'm not sure where the sound's coming from, but it's definitely this wheel. And when you move it, rock a wheel side to side, I can definitely feel some play. I think I'm just going to whip the wheel off and take a closer look. So I've made the call on this one, track rod end. It's an easy enough job to do. So I've squirted WD all over this. The ball joint, they're not on the ball joint, that's 21 mil. But at the top of the thread, it's a T30. So I can use it so if I get stuck undoing the nut, I can hold it still with the T30. Now under here is a big nut, it's between 21 and 24 mil. Is a lock nut for the track rod. And that screw, that's a T30. So I'm gonna try get this track rod end off. Last time I tried it on the other side, it didn't work. So let's see how we'll go. So I'll try and undo this first. Yep. And that's the easy bit. Undoing that. No, but it's trying to get this off. So get me adjustable on there. Oh, that's brilliant. That lock nut's come off. That's good news. So, and it's moving. There we go. It's moving quite freely. So I should be able to get this track rod end off. And screw that bolt. Now onto the ball joint bit. WD, block of steering, that might help. Lock the steering. In fact, I could get in with the impact. So I'll get a 21 mil socket, see if I can buzz it off with impact. Right, here we go. See if this works. Oh, good, it's spinning, but it's not coming off. Yeah, because the whole joint's spinning, so get my T30 in the top. And then I'll be able to get this tracker end out. Now that's not good. So I just rounded it off in the T30 was too small. Let's have a look. So just put it in. Maybe it wasn't a T30, maybe it was a T40. Or maybe it wasn't a Torx bit in the first place. Could be an Allen key. So try an Allen, see what that does. Well, it looks like it's a 5mm Allen. So try again. We might get through. No, it's not that. Right, I need to get something under there, so I just need to get the jack underneath. So I'll reposition everything and I'll come back to you. Okay, I've got the jack positioned under the ball joint, so that should stop the whole lot from turning. There we go, simple as that. Easy when you know how. And new. So, let the jack down. And you probably won't even have to oops. Look at that, pry it off. So look, yeah, and this ball joint just unscrews. There we go, that's the ball joint liberated, and it's quite a few days later. I've finally got my new part, and if I put them next to each other, they're pretty much the same size. So wheel alignment shouldn't be too far off once I get the part fitted, but I'm going to get it done anyway. So I'll just put the camera down and we'll get this fitted. So fitting it is just a reverse of taking it off. And like I said, it should be all in pretty much the same orientation. I did slacken the lock nut off. I'll just get this on. I won't bother counting turns because it'll be approximately right, but good enough to get us to tyre place to get front wheel alignment checked. What I can do is this has a 17mm bolt, so I'll just nip it up, don't go crazy tight. There, think. Careful lugger-dugger. Now I've got to do is just tighten this lock nut, not too tight. The tyre place I use can do the job. Just nip it up. In fact, I'm better off doing that when it's bolted on. So I just need to unscrew this. Maybe I should have got the jack out. So look. I just need to move the steering. be on right lock here. So just get this in, get the nut started. It's a 20mm nut like the old one, 21mm, not 20. Right, got my wobbly bit on the impact, so I should be able to get in. I'll wind that down. No, so I'm going to get a jack under it, so I'll come back to you with jack. Okay, jack's got jack under it. Should be able to resist on with impact. Maybe a little bit more. Right, and that should do it. See if I can nip up this lock nut on the track rod. So if I go to the next flat on, yep, that should do it. Let the jack on, I'll put the wheel on and we'll see if that knocking sound has gone. Okay, the wheel's on, see if that noise is gone. No, I can't feel any play, so that was definitely the call. I'll just turn the steering lock to lock. Just to settle the track rod end. Check it in straight position. Alright, I think that seems to have done it. I'll just put it down on the ground, see if we get that same rattling we had before. Well, unfortunately, the sound's still there, so I'll just give it a road test just to be absolutely certain. So maybe there's nothing wrong with that part. So I've just been around to my mechanic and he thinks it could be the actual inner track rod. So there's no point going to get the alignment done if it's all going to have to come off again. So I'll get one ordered up and that'll be the subject of another video. So I'm going to end it here on this one. Hope you enjoyed it and you get to see the failures as well as the successes. Although the job itself was a success, it wasn't a confirmed fix. So as ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you.